There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again, the man with the little channel, a lot of videos. Or I should say it's Johnny Utah's Garage, or Ganawagi Utah's Garage. In case anybody doesn't know, Ganawagi is a little small town just on the south shore of Montreal. Been here for 500, 600, I don't know how many years. We've been here longer than Canada and Quebec has existed. We have probably one or two of the oldest roads in Canada, and been here longer than Canada. I also want to say that anybody who has joined this channel, thank you very much for joining. I'm not talking about politics in here. I might talk about the weather once in a while. I don't give a rat's ass about politics. I don't give, I talk about it. I dabble in joke, I like all the crazy political jokes, but I like doing stuff, and this is my way of unwinding. So you're not going to hear, I might tell stupid jokes, and I might have dumb humor, but I'm going to keep that out of here. Just my little, thanks for joining my channel. I'm thoroughly amazed and thankful that I have 66 awesome subscribers. I mean, even if you join my channel and watch one video once in a while, I appreciate it. I never thought I'd even get more than a couple of my friends, but it's nice to know people have interests. I often sit there and think, who the hell, I sit there and ask myself, who the hell wants to watch my channel? And Arco said it best. He says, well, I'm watching your channel. And he's like, well, no, wait, no, he basically stated when I was talking to him on my phone, because I talked to him on Instagram, and, it's fun talking to people, and like you said, you're watching my channel, so why wouldn't anybody want to watch mine? Which is, it's just weird. It's weird that somebody wants to watch what I'm doing, but then again, I'm the dingbat making videos, and, hoping somebody watches my channel, so... But it's cool, though, but, yeah, thanks for, watching my channel. Every time someone clicks the subscribe button, I'll let you know. My daughter, jumps up and goes, 66! Ah! She gets all excited, so I just hope I get, 100 more subscribers, because it's, just watching my daughter going, scream in joy is just the most awesome thing. Even if, even if I could just fudge the number every day and put it back down to the real number, it'd be fun. So that's one of the best things I get out of it. Even if I have even if I don't have 2 million subscribers, watching my daughter just jump up and down and go 66, and what is it? Thanks to my 66th subscriber for joining. I don't remember who it was or what it is, but what the name is. But thanks for joining my channel. Everybody for leaving comments. Thanks for leaving comments. I try to respond to them. I try to put stuff and reply, and I can't reply in the next 3 days because, I'm just busy. Sometimes I get busy, but I have a lot of things planned on doing. But, yeah, mostly these next couple of videos will be ranting. Spring is coming, so you should see me doing more crap in my garage. Or you won't see me at all because I'll be hanging out with the kids by the pool. Maybe I'll make some poolside videos, but I'd like to keep this workshop and garage channel strictly to my garage. If I become a bazillion, a giant YouTube star, which I don't plan on it, maybe I'll make some Ganawagi Utah's travel channel. I don't know. Even though it's pretty cool. Some people do travel and have some other stuff. I like watching people barbecue. The only thing I hate about watching people barbecue is, god damn, it makes me hungry. Who the hell wants to watch steaks cook? And then go, they don't have smell-o-vision. Where's the little, we need the little, what the hell is it? Star Trek, the little, what is it? Replicator? Yeah, somebody YouTube make a replicator on Star Trek. So this way when I watch YouTube channels, and when you make that delicious giant steak to stick, I can go, replicate, pull it out and be like, yeah, I got your steak. I mean, you can do it at 3D printers. You make the user make a part, I take the file, and then I print it out over here. Now, let's hope they make a 3D printer to print food. That would be really cool. Yeah, okay. It's getting dumb, this thing, so I better stop talking. But anyway, thanks for all my subscribers, my few subscribers that I have. Thanks for watching. And subscribe, leave lots of comments, practical joke, do what you gotta do. Thanks for watching.